Hello friends, today we are going to learn the relation between the roots of quadratic equation and coefficients. Now here, if alpha and beta be the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then the sum of the roots, that is alpha plus beta, is equal to formula is minus b upon a, and the product of roots, that is alpha into beta, is equal to c upon a. These are the formulae. Now we have to see problems in practice set 2.5. Practice set 2.5. Now example number 5. Now sum of the roots of a quadratic equation. Sum of the roots of a quadratic equation is double their product find k if equation is x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 is equal to 0. Now here we have given sum of the product, sum of product of a quadratic equation is double their product, and we have given equation. By using this equation we have to find value of k. Now here in first step, find the values of a, b, c. Now for this, compare x square minus 4kx plus, write down this in bracket, k plus 3, this is constant term, equal to 0, with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get. Now here comparing coefficients of x square, a is equal to 1. Comparing coefficients of b, that is b is equal to coefficients of x, that is b is equal to minus 4k, and c is equal to constant term, that is k plus 3. Now this is the first step, find the values of a, b, c. Now we consider, let alpha and beta be the roots of this equation. Now let alpha and beta be the roots of x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 equal to 0. Therefore alpha plus beta is equal to, now we know formula, sum of roots, that is alpha plus beta is equal to, formula is minus b upon a, is equal to, now put value of B is minus 4k, minus of minus 4k divided by A is 1, equal to minus of minus plus 4k upon 1, that is 4k. This is value of 4k upon 1, that is 4k. And the product of roots, that is alpha into beta, formula is C upon E, is equal to, now value of C is k plus 3 upon A is 1, therefore is equal to k plus 3. This is value of alpha into beta. Now we have given condition, sum of the roots of a quadratic equation is double their product. Therefore by given condition, now we have given condition is sum of the roots, that is alpha plus beta, is equal to twice double their product, that is alpha into beta. Now in this equation, put values of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Alpha plus beta is 4k, is equal to 2 into value of alpha beta is k plus 3. Now here taking multiplication, 4k is equal to 2k plus 2 into 3, 6. Therefore 4k minus 2k is equal to 6. 2k is equal to 6. Therefore k is equal to 6 upon 2 dividing by 2, 3. Therefore value of k is 3. This is the answer. Now question number 6. Write down question number 6. Alpha beta are the roots of y square minus 2y minus 7 equal to 0. Find number 1 alpha square plus beta square, and number 2 alpha cube plus beta cube. Alpha cube plus beta cube. Now we solve first. Now we have given y square minus 2y minus 7, and by using this first we find values of a, b, c. Now comparing y square minus 2y minus 7 equal to 0 with ay square plus by plus c equal to 0, we get. Now here comparing coefficient of y square, that is a is equal to 1, comparing coefficients of y, that is b is equal to minus 2, and constant term c is equal to minus 7. Now here we have given alpha and beta be the roots of this equation. Therefore we have to find sum of roots. We know formula, sum of roots alpha plus beta is minus b upon a, is equal to, now put value of b, minus into bracket value of b is minus 2 divided by a is 1, is equal to minus of minus plus 2 divided by 1 is equal to 2. This is alpha plus beta, and alpha into beta is equal to, now formula is C upon A is equal to, value of C is minus 7 upon A is 1, minus 7 upon 1, that is minus 7. Now we have to find value of alpha square plus beta square. Therefore, write down formula for alpha square plus beta square equal to. Now we can write this as, write down alpha square plus beta square in the form of alpha plus beta, alpha into beta. That is, alpha square plus beta square equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Now we see whether this is correct or not. पहिला आपण असं केलं, अल्फा प्लस बीटा होल स्क्वेअर याचा स्क्वेअर केला तर काय येतो, अल्फा स्क्वेअर प्लस बीटा स्क्वेअर प्लस 2 अल्फा बीटा मायनस 2 अल्फा बीटा कॅन्सल होतील, म्हणजेच काही अल्फा स्क्वेअर प्लस बीटा स्क्वेअर. Therefore is equal to, now put value of alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is 2 square minus 2 into alpha beta is minus 7 is equal to, 2 square is 4, minus into minus plus 2 into 7 14. Therefore alpha square plus beta square is equal to 18. This is the answer of first. Second, number 2. Now number 2. Now here in this equation we have to find alpha cube plus beta cube. Alpha cube plus beta cube. Now up to this, values of alpha plus beta, alpha into beta, write down this as it is. हे इथपर्यंत आपल्याला जसाला तसं लिहावं लागेल. Now write down formula for alpha cube plus beta cube. Alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into bracket alpha plus beta. Now if we write down formula for alpha plus beta whole cube, that is alpha cube plus 3 alpha square beta plus 3 alpha beta square minus 3 minus beta cube, or by plus beta cube. By using this, पहिला फॉर्म्युला असं लिहिता येईल. We know formula alpha plus beta whole cube is equal to alpha cube plus 3 alpha square beta plus 3 alpha square beta plus beta cube. This is the formula. Is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube. From this, taking 3 alpha beta common into bracket alpha plus beta. Therefore we write this formula as alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to alpha plus beta whole cube plus becomes minus 3 alpha beta into bracket alpha plus beta. Now put values. Alpha plus beta is 2. 2 cube minus 3 into alpha beta is minus 7 into alpha plus beta is 2 is equal to 2 cube is 8 minus into minus plus 3 into 7 21 into 2 42. Therefore is equal to 50. Therefore value of alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to 50. This is the answer of second. Question number 7. The roots of the roots of each of the following quadratic equations are real and equal. Find key. Now write down first example. 3y square plus ky plus 12 is equal to 0. Now in this equation we have given the roots of these quadratic equations are real and equal. We have to find value of k. Now we know that if roots of given quadratic equation are equal, then what is the condition? The condition is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. That is, discriminant delta is equal to 0. Now for this, first find the values of a, b, c. Here comparing 3y square plus ky plus 12 equal to 0 with ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0, we get. Now here comparing coefficients of y square, that is a is equal to 3, comparing coefficients of y, b is equal to k, and constant term c is equal to 12. Now write down given condition, the roots of each of the following the roots of the given quadratic equation are real. Now the roots of 3y square plus ky plus 12 equal to 0 are real and equal. Therefore the condition is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now here put values. Value of b square, that is b is k square, minus 4 into value of a is 3 into c is 12 is equal to 0. Now k square is equal to k square minus 4 into 3 12, 12 into 12 144 is equal to 0. Now here k square minus 144 equal to 0. Therefore k square is equal to minus this minus becomes plus 144. Now taking square root, therefore k is equal to plus or minus 12. This is the value of k. Now second example, write down kx into bracket x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. Now write down this equation, given equation, first in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, or write down this equation as it is, plus 6 is equal to 0. Now we have to write this equation in the form of general equation, that is taking multiplication. Kx square multiplying by kx into minus 2, that is minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Now first step, find the values of a, b, c. Therefore comparing kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get. Now here comparing coefficients of x square, a is equal to k. Comparing coefficients of x, that is b is equal to minus 2k, and comparing constant terms c is equal to 6. Now we have given the roots of given quadratic equation are real and equal. Now write down given the roots of kx into x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0 are real and equal. Therefore the condition is, therefore b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now put values. Value of b is minus 2k whole square minus 4 into a is k into c is 6 is equal to 0. Minus 2k square minus 2 square is 4k square minus 4 into 6 24 k is equal to 0. Now we are taking 4k common. 4k into bracket k dividing by 4k, 4 get cancel, 1k get cancel, that is k minus dividing by 4 6 k get cancel is equal to 0. Therefore 4k is equal to 0 or k minus 6 is equal to 0. We know that the product of two terms equal to 0 if first term equal to 0 or second term equal to 0. Therefore k is equal to 0 upon 4, that is 0, and k is equal to minus 6 becomes plus 6. There are two values. First value of k is 0 and second is 6. Now in this equation, if value of k is 0, then all this term becomes 0, that is remaining is 6 is equal to 0. This is not a quadratic equation. Therefore write down here, but if k is equal to 0, then given equation not remains a quadratic equation. Therefore k equal to 0 is not valid. Therefore value of k is equal to 6. This is the answer.